You've got a CAT score. It's between 75 and 90, and now you're hearing everyone talk about IIMs and top 10 colleges. The anxiety is real. You're asking, with my score, can I even get an MBA that offers a genuine return on investment? Or am I just paying for an expensive degree? Let's cut through the noise. Today, we're breaking down MBA ROI with a simple data-friendly formula. And we're not using hypotheticals here. We're using the hard numbers from James Rohini, a top-rated institute that helps students to build outstanding careers in the field of management. ROI starts with an investment, but the investment isn't the application fees, it's the price you actually pay. Let's break it down. First, the total program fee for the AICTE approved PGDM at GEMS is 10.75 lakhs minus scholarships. GEMS actively rewards talent through various scholarship schemes under the Jagannath Gupta Memorial Educational Society in the form of merit cum means scholarship up to 3 lakhs. Now, the often hidden cost, living expenses in cities like Delhi. This is where location matters. Choosing a campus in North Delhi like Rohini is a strategic financial decision with affordable hostel fees helping students manage their budget effectively. South and West Delhi hostels charge 25 to 30k, whereas GEMS Rohini hostel charge 18k. That's a potential annual saving of over 1 lakhs, and over 2 years, you save over 2 lakhs just in living expenses. So your real investment is far more efficient and manageable than at many other top colleges. Now the return. Ignore the highest package. It's a headline, not a reality. You need to look at the median salary, the number where half the class is above and half the class is below. This is your most likely outcome. Look at this comparison. Some colleges lead with a high average CTC, but at GEMS Rohini for the 2023-25 batch, they lead with honesty, a solid and verifiable median CTC of 9.83 LPA. Put a number, it's just the result. How is it achieved? GEMS achieved 100% placement for the 2023 batch. This isn't luck. This is because of the 32 years of legacy in excellence in education and the dedicated Corporate Resource Management Center (CRMC), which ensures students are industry ready. Through corporate sessions, seminars, and guidance from successful alumni working at top companies, the CRMC conducts mock interviews and resume workshops specifically designed to make you corporate ready and secure that placement. This is a systematic process that drives consistent placements. But the best ROI isn't just your first job, it's your career trajectory that's built by what happens behind the scenes. This is where GEMS Rohini truly builds your ROI by building you. First, Corporate Resource Management Centers. You don't just wait for placements, GEMS brings the corporate world to you. Second, one-on-one mentorship. From day one, a faculty mentor, alumni mentor, and corporate mentor. The mentor guides your entire journey, your subject choices, career trajectory, talks about the roles and future progressions, your project work, and your career path. And third, learning by doing through multiple student-led clubs and committees. This is crucial, whether it's managing budgets for the annual festival, running real marketing campaigns, participating in corporate interactions, working on live projects, or gaining hands-on experience through the summer internship program. This is where you build the leadership and managerial skills that recruiters see on a resume. Through project-based learning that includes live projects, MWCs, and self-directed learning initiatives, students get the chance to explore new domains, upskill at their own pace, and apply knowledge practically. Whether it's enhancing analytical skills, mastering digital tools, or participating in cross-functional projects, this approach ensures you're not just job-ready but future-ready. So let's do the final math. Lower investment? Check. Strong verified median return? Check. A system designed to guarantee that return? Check. With an investment of approximately 10.75 lakhs and a median return of 9.83 LPA, your ROI payback period is roughly 1.2 years. Now, mentally compare that equation to a college with fees of 15 or 18 lakhs at a similar salary. The difference isn't marginal, it's massive. So explore the profiles offered. From marketing and finance to analytics and operation, check the ROI and investment of 10.75 lakhs with a median return of 9.83 LPA and see how current batch placements translate into future career progression. With 190 plus recruiters like Deloitte, KPMG, Bain & Company, JP Morgan, EY, S&P Global, Dow, Nestle, ICICI Bank, Amazon, Axis Bank, ITC, and TCS visit the campus every year. For a 75 to 90 percentile scorer, the goal is smart ROI. It's about choosing a college where the system is designed to maximize your potential and not just a percentile. Don't just take our word for it, see the proof for yourself. In the description below, there's a direct link to the official James Rohini placement brochure. In the meantime, this is Apni from Team Inside IIM signing off.